Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Green Apple and Aloe line by Taliah Waajid. And this line consists of the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, the curl definer, and the jelly. So I'm going to start with saturated hair. And take the shampoo and cleanse my hair. This shampoo cleanses really well. It didn't strip my hair and it left my hair really soft. This shampoo has silk protein, it's sulfate free, and it retains moisture. And again, I really like this shampoo. I was amazed at how soft my hair was. Next, I'm going to take the leave-in conditioner and apply it to each section. This leave-in conditioner has amazing slip. And I'm using my wet brush to ensure that the leave-in is spread throughout the hair. And I love that this has a pump. It's great at detangling the hair, and it also strengthens and nourishes the hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the curl definer, and this stuff is really thick, which is a plus for me. I'm taking small sections, and I have yet to find a styling cream that defines my curls like this. This slip on this stuff is great. It really glided through my hair really well. Do you guys see this definition? And it's also great for smoothing, as you can see. My way back to you. So again, you can see how defined the curls are, and it's very moisturizing. After air drying, I braided my hair into 4 sections, and I really wanted to go for a voluminous look. You find your way back home. Find your way back home. So I'm just picking, fluffing, and styling to my liking as usual. So I really loved every product out of the green apple and aloe line. I didn't use the jelly, but I will use it in another video to give you guys my thoughts on it. If you have not tried the green apple and aloe line by Taliah Waajid, I definitely recommend that you do. This line is just amazing. So that completes my review of the green apple and aloe line by Taliah Waajid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later.
Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.